Florida. This is a fifth generation Ford Mustang. Florida Highway Patrol officers attempted to stop this vehicle for traveling the wrong way on State Route 79, Washington County, Florida. The driver should have complied to the police, but unfortunately he chose not to, and from there started this high-speed pursuit.
Washington, can you head that way?
Last 10-4, what is that, 79 South East Road?
Just South East Road.
Mostly, these high-speed pursuits cause damages in road signs and sometimes to private properties or to other vehicles, but in this case the road was quite empty, which is a good thing. Despite being warned multiple times, the driver was in no mood to stop the vehicle, leaving officers with no other choice than using some other tactics like road spikes or a pit maneuver. By the way, these Mustang models are beasts. They have 300 horsepower or even more and can exceed the speed of 200 miles per hour. Chasing them on the roads is not a joke. Ultimately, a precise pit maneuver successfully disabled the suspect's vehicle. The driver attempted to flee on foot, but officers chased him down and arrested him. He was then transported to the county jail to face charges for his lawless actions.